We just finished wrapping up our rustic modern kitchen renovation, and it took us a lot of time and a lot of planning. Today I want to dive into one aspect of the planning process and talk about how you can choose the perfect appliances for your kitchen. I knew I wanted a rustic modern design, but I also wanted to bring in an industrial element, so I leaned that direction when choosing appliances. When you're shopping, make sure and start your search looking for a style that fits your space, and then filter out different series based on the functionality of each appliance and what's important to you. When I was shopping for a range, I knew I wanted gas. Whether you choose gas or electric really comes down to personal preference and budget. I also chose the double oven model. I don't bake a ton, and I love the option of only preheating half the oven for quick meals, as well as the extra space when I need it for holidays and family gatherings. And with this model, just like the fridge, it comes with Wi-Fi capabilities, always making it easy to preheat your oven and have it ready to go. The dishwasher is the workhorse of the kitchen. So when I was shopping for a dishwasher, I had 3 things on my list. I wanted it to clean well, I wanted it to dry the dishes well, and I wanted it to be quiet. I've had models in the past that weren't quiet, and I've always regretted that decision. This model offers all 3 of those things, and we are extremely happy with our purchase. For me, the refrigerator is one of the most important appliances you can have in your home. I was looking for something family-friendly, making it easy for my kids to use as well as my husband and I. This particular model, the GE Cafe Series refrigerator, offers a hot water dispenser, which is perfect for my daughter who loves to make her afternoon tea. With the LED lighting inside, we never have a hard time finding what we need, and it has a bottom freezer making it easily accessible for our kids. At the end of the day, it's important not to sacrifice what's most important to you. Make sure the model you're looking at has everything you want and meets most of your requirements. For more information and a full list of features on all these appliances, make sure and check out the blog post I did with Home Depot.